Welcome. And we're talking about fractions. Fractions are numbers that have numerators and denominators. In fact, they are rational numbers. And this fraction is represent a part of a whole number. Fraction represents a part of a whole number. This is an example of a fraction: 1/2, 1/3, 2 divided by 3, 2/3. Now, if I wish to find which is bigger, which is the biggest among these, what you just need to do is to find the LCM, and the LCM is just 6. LCM of 2, 3, and 3, just 6. So divide 6 by 2 to give us 3 times 2, give us 3. Then 6 divided by 3, give us 2, 2 times 1, 2. 6 divided by 3 give us 2 times 2, 4. So 4/6 is the biggest. So among these three, 4 is the biggest. So it's going to be 4 divided by 6, which is 2 divided by 3 is the biggest. Is the biggest. So the smallest is 1/3. The smallest is 1/3. Now let's look at this too. Let's find which is the biggest, which is the smallest. Find the LCM. The LCM here is 15. The LCM of 3, 5, and 5 is 15. 15 divided by 3, 5 times 10 times 2, 10. 15 divided by 5, 3. 3 times 4, 12. 15 divided by 5, 3. 3 times 1, 3. So the biggest here is 12. So therefore, 4 divided by 5 is the biggest. Biggest fraction. And 1 divided by 5 is the smallest. I hope this is clear. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.